Well, I don't know. We don't know whether we're going. I mean, I reserved previously this year the same number. But then Tensity wasn't coming until literally the day before. So I cancelled his hotel. And Scott couldn't get the time off because he's got work. So he just started like a new job, so couldn't get the time off. To be fair, we booked the same time like previous time, so normally we'll reserve the year ahead. They haven't announced any dates, so we just guessed it. Didn't mean to do that. No, on Booking.com, actually, even their site, you don't have to pay anything until a week before. Or no, actually, either until you arrive there. Depends on thing. Either pay at the hotel or like 48 hours before. Until then, you can cancel with no fees. So we just... Oh. So we'll see. Hey, on... This cup starts in an hour, doesn't it? I wonder if Dan is going to be up. Go and get our little blue friend. No. Okay, that's what we want. That is the combination. Accept you on Discord. Okay, I'll have a look. I've got 497 friends requests at the moment. I keep deleting them every so often. I mean, Discord is easier to talk to people on, to be honest. I need a trio. Yeah, but I haven't got a trio, so I can't really help you. You, me accepting, are you talking to me or Hugo? Actually, I'm going to go back up here.